Hello guys, welcome to channel Font Mania. With God's grace, we do have the two colors of the Iqoo Z10X. That's the titanium and the ultramarine. So I'm going to start with the ultramarine. So let's start the unboxing. Okay. And here we are getting a seal as well. Okay, so it's done. It's a void sticker over there. Okay, so here is the phone itself. Let's keep it aside. And this is a 8GB RAM and the 256GB variant. And first of all, we are getting a case, just a decent quality. Then the quick start guide, important information and warranty card, and the Vivo flash charge. It's a 44 watt, and that's a USB type A to type C cables as well. You can see USB type A to type C. So USB type A to type C, and then a SIM ejector tool. That's it. Let's look at the phone. So this is the ultramarine color of the Iqoo Z10X, and here you can see a specific pattern as well, and you can see this flash, the cameras, and it's written advanced spherical as well. And this is the right side, the top, the left, and the bottom. And actually this is not a fingerprint, this is really a matte finish. So, and if you look at in some ways it feels plain, but in some angles it's here you are getting a really nice pattern. I'm just going to show you a close-up. So this is ultramarine, so it's a mixed of, you can see now it's feels like a matte, versus if you look like this, then you can see a pattern over here. I think that I have already seen this color somewhere. Yes, the color is similar to this Iqoo Neo 10R's raging blue color. You can see just the color, not this pattern. You can see almost similar color for these two of them. And now get ready for a surprise. And the next color for the Iqoo Z10X is the titanium. And this is the color. This is exactly the similar color of the Iqoo Neo 10R. That's also this Moonlight titanium versus the titanium. So similar, exact same stuff and the same sort of pattern. The Iqoo logos, vibes, silver vibes, everything feels same to same. And you can see the camera ring, it feels silver also over here. So feels from the top, bottom, but you can see this black border as well over here, versus this is completely because of this price segment. It's a difference. Let's compare these two colors. At a glance itself, I would say my personal preference is obviously this titanium color. So it looks stunning, whether it's gives the vibes of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, S25 Ultra's titanium gray color, which is really a premium one. And you can see the sides, everything feels a bit of premium. And if you really observe, actually on the left you can see this pattern, versus it's completely matte and a clean finish on the titanium color. And if you observe the camera model, then also you can find minor differences. That means if you look at this crown over here, you can see this is completely a silver crown, versus on the blue it's completely a blue one, versus in this camera ring as well, this is just blue, versus it also gives a silver ring. So that feels a bit of premiumness to the phone. So especially I just love the titanium. The side profiles, so this is a side profiles for both of them. And again, I already fell in love with this titanium color on the top, on the left, and the bottom. Ultramarine comes with a pattern. So if you observe this Iqoo Z10, this also comes with a cloudy, misty like of pattern, versus this also comes with some sort of wind type of a pattern. So it's up to you. If you do love this type of pattern and a gradient pattern type of finish, then you could obviously go with this blue color. Else, if you are into some sort of matte thing or completely clean, then you could go with this titanium. And one more thing is that if you look at the Iqoo Z10's black, then it's almost clean, complete clean kind of look over here. So that's up to you guys. So out of these two, my personal preference would be this titanium color, And one more thing is there, so if you need something eye-catchy, striking color, then obviously you could go with this Ultramarine. This definitely striking the eyes with a really sharp color, versus if you are into some sort of premium color, or you can say neutral color, then obviously you could go with this titanium color. Out of these two colors, which is your preference? Comment down below.